Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw membership access changes from Kajabi into Airtable, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Kajabi account. Navigate to the People tab on your dashboard. Locate the membership access changes you wish to withdraw. Click on the specific membership you want to update. Choose the Actions drop-down menu. Select Withdraw Access from the available options. Confirm your choice to ensure the withdrawal is processed. Next, log into your Airtable account. Open the base where you want to track these changes. Create a new table if you don't have one already, specifically for membership access. Label the columns as member name, membership type, and status. Return to Kajabi and copy the relevant member details. Paste this information into the appropriate fields in Airtable. Make sure to update the status to reflect the withdrawal. Once all data is entered, double-check for any errors. Save the changes in Airtable to ensure everything is up to date. If you have multiple members, repeat the process as needed. To automate future updates, consider integrating Kajabi with Airtable using Zapier. Set triggers that will automatically update Airtable when membership access changes occur in Kajabi. This will streamline your process and reduce manual entry. Review your Airtable regularly to maintain accurate records. Finally, keep track of any new members and their access changes for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.